Welcome to the World Restoration Center headquarters, where I enjoy life.
Thank you, Ndegwa. As we can see in the scripture, the thief came to steal, to kill, and to destroy. But when Jesus came, brought life in abundance. And true to that, our weekly announcements ensure that all the Lord's promises are fulfilled. Every Monday to Friday, we have morning glory sessions from 6 to 7 a.m. and lunch hour services from 12:30 to 2 p.m. Then on the evening of Monday, we have Bible study from 7 to 8 p.m. Our youth have evening service from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. On Wednesdays, we have evangelism services from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And in the evening, we have an intercessory prayer kesha from 10 p.m. to dawn. Every Thursday evenings, we have our home fellowship at our various homes. On Friday evenings, we have our official kesha from 10 p.m. that are powerful and evangelistic. We have the School of Ministry every Saturday from 10 to 1 p.m. Not forgetting our Wednesday classes that run from 2 to 5 p.m. and another class from 6 to 9 p.m. And now every Sunday we have two services from 8 to 10 and from 10 to 1. Not forgetting we have our Zion Church every Sunday from 8 to 10 a.m. Thank you for coming and we hope you enjoy our service. God bless you. My name is Nicholas Wanzi.